Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am trying out this cute little MOSCHINO plus Sephora eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright, this is what the palette looks like. Has MOSCHINO, and I hope I'm saying that right, on one side, and then MOSCHINO plus Sephora on the other. You've got these cute little handles on the top, and so you can see this, but it is actually kind of tapered, so it's wider at the bottom and thinner at the top. When you open it up, you've got a mirror. Here's my camera. You've got a mirror right there, and then this is what the 6 shadows look like. So they do have names to them, which I like, and these 2 right here on the end, these are the 2 shimmers, the other 4 are matte. Now, the one thing you'll notice is there's really not a good base color or even a really light transition shade. So to be on the safe side, I am going to go ahead and just use some of my other shadows that I have. I want to lay down just a quick base. Get that down. Oh, I don't have a mirror here. Just so I have something laid down for these shadows to go on too. These are just Makeup Geek shadows. And then I'm going to take this kind of a peachy shade that I have and take that as my transition shade. By the way, this palette is only $18. Great price to be able to get 6 shades. Now that I got the base going on, let's go ahead and start dipping into the shopping bag palette. So I'm going to start off with this color Clay right here. I'm going to start off with this color Clay right here and take that into my crease. Wow! I barely dipped into that, you guys. Oh, holy cow. Okay. There's a lot of pigment to these. A lot. Okay, this is now becoming my transition shade instead of my crease color because it's highly pigmented. Guys, I barely tapped into that. Barely. Blending out beautifully. Take just the tiniest bit more to get on this side and get evened out. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take this brush and go back in and kind of buff that out a little bit. Okay, now I know. Tiny, tiny, tap your brush off a lot. These are highly pigmented, at least this color Clay is. Now I'm going to go in with this color Cloud Crossing, which is this one right here. Brown with a little bit of what kind of has like a purple shade to it. That's what I have on my brush. I'm going to go in a little bit more in the crease with this. Using that same brush, I'm going to go into the Bound Brown shade here. Just lightly tap, and I go just a little bit, and oh so lightly on my eyelid right now. I'm not even going to redip. Alright, using my Luxie 231 tapered brush, take just the smidgenest, tiniest little bit I can possibly take of this color Kisses and just go on the outer corner. That's just a little tap and a lot of shaking it off. I'm going very light-handed. I'm going to go just in little circular motions right in here. Alright, now I'm going to just take a flat brush, a small flat brush, and I'm going to go into this color Angel Wings, which is a shimmer shade. And I'm going to take that pretty much all over the lids except for the outer third. Ooh, again, highly pigmented. It's very powdery though. And I'm getting a little bit of fallout with this one. I'm going to try squirting this just a little bit and see what happens when I do that. Don't really see a difference by wetting the brush because it's got so much pigment in it already. So that is just a stunning, stunning color. Next I'm going to take the color Pixie Dust, which is this coppery brown shade, and take that onto my lid on the outer third. Not getting nearly the fallout with this one. Actually, any fallout, I should say, because I didn't get a lot from the other color, just a little bit. I'm going to take just a clean brush and just lightly buff those two in together. An angled brush, and I'm going to take the color Clay and take that under my eyes. I'm going to buff that out just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the Bound Brown, which is the darker brown, and very lightly go closer to my lash line. Just the tiniest bit on the outer part of my eye. Again, I'm going to buff these two in together very lightly. All right. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara and put some lipstick on, and I will be right back. This is the final look now that I have my mascara and lipstick on, and I have to say, I really like this palette. I think it's awesome for $18. Again, you get 6 shades, great little mirror. I wish it had some lighter shades for like your transition or your all over the lid. That easily can get that out of just a Z palette or other palettes that you have. So this may not be exactly travel friendly because you would need to bring something else along with it. However, holy cow, I don't think I've ever used another palette that was as pigmented as this. I'm not kidding. You barely dip into these and the colors are just amazing. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these. Alright, these are all of the shadows. This bottom one's a little harder to see because that's the shimmer and it's the lighter shade, but it's the one I have all over my lid now. So these are how pigmented they are. That is one quick swipe. And again, I didn't have to press, I didn't have to rub. This is just a quick lay them right down. So highly, highly pigmented. Be very careful when you go to apply these because, well, you saw what happened to my eyes. So little dab, just shake your brush off, get all that extra off of there. But I think they're just stunning. It's very cute. I wish they had this in other shades. So Sephora, MOSCHINO, feel free to come out with these with some other colors in there because I think this is truly a winner. And I highly do recommend it. So guys, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it the old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribed to my channel. My contest will be coming up very soon. I'm getting closer and closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark. So I'm getting very excited about that. But anyway, thanks you guys. I love you and bye-bye.